Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum, and I'm Ira, and may Allah peace, mercy and blessings be all upon you. So today I'm gonna talk about that how will I pass my tomorrow day. Well, on tomorrow I will get up at 5 a.m. and then I will get fresh, and after that I will eat an egg and a glass of milk as my breakfast, and then I will get ready for my school. I will wear my school dresses, and then I will go to my grammar coaching. And in grammar coaching, I will learn many types of grammars, and after grammar coaching at 7:50 a.m. I will go to my school, and then I will do my classes, and at 1 p.m. our school will break up, and then I will return to my house. Then after returning, I will take a shower, and then I will eat my lunch. I will eat biryani as my lunch. Well, and then after that I will watch TV for some time, and after that I will sleep for an hour. You know, I'm a little bit lazy, by the way. And after that I will sit to study, and then I will study for 1 or 2 hours, and after that I will take rest for some time. At 6:30 p.m. I will sit to study again. Then I will study up to 10 p.m. and then I will eat my dinner, and I will eat biryani as dinner on that too. So by the way, and after that I will brush my teeth, and then I will do some fajlami with my elder brother, and after that I will make my bed, and then I will say good night to my elder Fazil brother and my mother and father, which called parents, and then I will go to bed, and then I will think of a dream and I will sleep. So that are the works which I will do on tomorrow. So that's all.